ready for your lesson today? Let's begin with the pre-test. Direction. Read the question carefully. Write the letter of the correct answer on your answer sheet. Number 1. Which of the following can change into another useful material by hammering? Number 2. Which material can be hammered into flat sheet? Number 3. What happened to the solid materials when they cut? They blank. Number 4. Which of the following materials changes its size and shape by cutting? Number 5. What of the following can change the size and shape of the materials?
Looking back, complete the table below. Identify the ways on how materials can be changed and describe the effect in the next column.
Brief introduction. Everywhere you look and go, you are surrounded by different objects that can be classified into solid, liquid, and gas, commonly known as state of matter. Each of these states of matter is composed of materials that give them properties and characteristics unique to each of them. These characteristics are important because it is being used to determine the type of change it will undergo. Hammering is one of the processes of changing solid materials. Hammer is a hand tool consisting of a weighted head fixed to a long handle. It is used to drive nails into wood, to shape metal, or to crush or pound materials. Cutting is the process of separating into two or more portions. Commonly used for cutting are the scissors, knife, cutter, saw, etc.
Okay guys, let's do the activity 1. What you need: empty tin can, hollow blocks, stone, and hammer. What to do? Note: ask an adult to assist you in the handling of tools. Number 1. Hammer each of the given materials. Observe what will happen. Number 2. Record your observation by filling in the table below. Guide question. Number 1. How will you describe the shape, size, and texture of the empty tin can, hollow blocks, and stone before hammering? Number 2. Describe the materials after hammering. Number 3. What is hammering? Number 4. What is the effect of hammering to the materials? Read to learn more. Solid materials can be hammered. When hammered, their size and shape may change, but no new product is formed. Thus, only physical appearance of solid material is deformed, and the change that takes place is called physical change.
Activity 2. What you need: piece of paper, empty plastic bottle, and Indian mango fruit. Precaution: ask an adult to assist you in the handling of tools. What to do? Number 1. Cut each given material by using a pair of scissors or knife. Observe what happens to the materials. Number 2. Record your observation by filling in the table below. Guide question. Number 1. How will you describe the shape, size, and texture of the piece of paper, empty plastic bottle, and Indian mango fruit? Number 2. Describe what happened to the solid materials after they were cut. Number 3. What is cutting? Number 4. What is the effect of cutting to the materials? Read to know more. Solid materials can be cut. When cut, their size and shape may change, but no new product is formed. However, only physical appearance of solid materials is deformed and changed. Not all solid materials can be cut using an ordinary scissors. Some solid materials like glass, steel, etc. can be cut using glass, metal, and machine cutter.
Let's proceed to activity 3. What you need: pictures or actual objects, hollow blocks, tomatoes, leaves, piece of paper, tin can. What to do? Group the materials according to methods of changing their size and shape, hammering, or cutting. Write your answer inside the box below. After you group the materials according to ways of changing their size and shape, congratulations! Now you can move to the next activity.
Activity 4. What you need: real materials found in the pictures, piece of cloth, aluminum foil, empty tin can, and stone. What to do? First, look for the real materials found at home using the given pictures. Second, identify the materials in the pictures: aluminum foil, piece of cloth, empty tin can, and stone. And third, demonstrate how materials may undergo change by hammering and cutting. You may use different tools such as scissors and hammer to change the materials. Precaution: you must practice precautionary measures in using simple machine to avoid accidents. You may ask your parents or guardian to assist you.
Guide questions. Number 1. Which materials can change its size and shape by cutting? Number 2. Which material can change its shape by hammering? Number 3. What type of change occurs in the different materials in this activity? Is it physical change? Explain. Double check your answers. Congratulations! Now, strengthen your knowledge by reading the additional information below.
Read to understand more. Solid materials can be cut or hammered. When cut or hammered, these materials may change their size and shape. No new material is formed. Hence, only the physical appearance is changed. Hammer is a hand tool used for pounding, while scissors and cutters are used to cutting.
Activity 5, my best artwork. What you need: any available materials at home. What to do? Number 1, design a new product that can be produced from your selected material. Draw in table 1 the sketch of the new product that you can create. Number 2, use cutting, hammering, bending, and pressing to produce your artwork. Fill out table 2 of the details of your artwork. For example,
making.
Remember, the following ideas were discussed in this lesson. Hammer is a hand tool consisting of a weighted head fixed to a long handle. It is used to drive nails into wood, to shape metal, or to crush or pound materials or objects. Solid materials can be hammered. These materials may change their size, shape, and texture. No new material is formed. Only the physical appearance is changed. Solid materials can be cut. When cut, these materials may change their size, shape, and texture. However, no new materials is formed because only the physical appearance of the material is changed. Not all solid materials can be cut using simple scissors. Some solid materials like steel, iron, etc. can be cut using sophisticated cutters like machine and metal cutters.
Now it's time for check your understanding. Direction. Answer the given question. Write your answer in the blank. Number 1. What type of metal is used to change the size and shape of a tree? Number 2. How did the stone change its size and shape? Number 3. How can the object in the picture change its size and shape? Number 4. Will there be new substance formed after hammering the tin can? After learning the different ways of changes in solid materials when they are hammered or cut, you are now ready to answer the post test.
Post test. Number 1. Slices of tomatoes were added to a salad. What methods is used to change the size of tomato? Number 2. Which of the following materials can be changed by hammering? Number 3. Which of the following were used to create a chair and a handicraft? Number 4. During occasion like birthdays and holidays, your mother creates design using cellophane and colored papers. What process was used by your mother? Number 5. Which of the following is the best example of physical change? You have done well doing all the activities in this lesson. Congratulations! Reflection. Different ways of changing the size and shape of solid materials. What did I discover from this lesson? How did you find the activities in this module?